This video is sponsored by K-Racing. If you're interested in getting the best deals on your Rotax Max parts, make sure to stick around. Welcome to the best race I've ever had in my entire career of racing. Coincidentally, it's also the last race before I was forced to quit. Anyways, it was the second round of the Dutch RMC Winter Cup in 2020, and let's just say the pace was mega. In qualifying I actually set the second fastest lap time, but because I tapped someone in the previous session, my front fairing was pushed in a tiny bit. We didn't see this however, and we went into qualifying with a bumper that was already pushed in, and that meant poof, P2, gone. I was absolutely gutted by this. This was a really bad mistake by myself and also by my mechanic, but stuff like this happens and you get stronger because of that. Anyways, in the pre-final I had a bit of a rocky start, but luckily I was able to fight my way back to P3, but whilst I was making the move, this happened. You didn't see it on the camera, but there was someone behind me who just kept the throttle open completely, and he went over my rear end, mounted my exhaust, and you can actually see by the side pod there that he was on my side pod as well. And that caused a DNF. I was angry, like properly angry. So for the next race I decided I was going to take revenge. However, in lap 1 I actually already overtook the guy who took me out in the previous race. So I actually waited on track in a race for him to re-overtake me and then solve our little problem. If you want to see what happened, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Then I'll maybe reveal the footage. Maybe. After that was dealt with, something clicked in me. At that moment I decided I was going to give it my all. I had a big f*** it mentality in my head. I didn't care if I crashed, completely totaled the kart or anything, I just wanted to get to the front. And you can really tell that by my driving. Here's how it went. Do you guys remember the intro? Gear Racing is my sponsor for the season, and every week we release a new discount code. This week the code is RED15, which will give you a 15% discount on all Rotax Max parts except for whole engines. So, go to Gear Racing, fill up your basket with any Rotax Max parts you want, enter the discount code and poof, 15% of your money saved. Start saving money now by shopping at gearracing.com and using my discount codes. And also, make sure to subscribe to the channel to never miss a new discount code. We have a new one for a different product category every week. Anyways, back to this monster of a race. So guys, that was it. And remember, I waited on track, had to start last, which was like P24, and I got a 5-second penalty. That meant a P10, but if I didn't wait for him, didn't get myself a penalty, just imagine what could have been. Just removing the front fairing penalty from this result would have already been P4. If you enjoyed this, then please consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons. It really means a lot to me if you would do that. If you like this video, then there's some others on screen right now that you might enjoy too. This video, however, is done, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.